welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. If you seriously want to unlock your all kind of Android smartphone like that, you can see here there are lots of Android smartphone and all Android smartphones are locked due to forgotten pin pattern password lock. You can see here my friend there are lots of smartphones and all smartphones are locked like that, and in this video I can show you how can you easily remove this type of pin pattern password lock in just only 2 to 3 minutes without using any kind of computer and without using any tools, means software. So let us start the video. Because of that, in this video I can show you how can you use a service center offline method to unlock your all Android smartphones pin pattern and password lock in just only 2 to 3 minutes. So let's start the video. First of all my friends, if you are seriously want to unlock your any pin pattern password lock on any Android model, so you have to watch this video properly till the end, and only then you will be able to unlock your any kind of Android smartphone at your home at free of cost without using computer and without using any kind of software tool. So first of all, I am going to remove all kind of smartphones from this table, and I am going to show you a sample method in this Android smartphone, and this is Vivo, and this method will work on every Android model like Realme, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi and Infinix, Tecno. It means if you have any kind of Android model, so you have to follow all these steps one by one into your logged Android smartphone, and after at the end of this video you can easily access your Android smartphone. Okay, so first of all my friend, whenever your smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern password lock, so you have to connect the data cable to your smartphone, means charging cable to your smartphone. Okay, if your Android smartphone battery percentage minimum 50%, so you have to connect the data cable. Okay, after that you have to go to this pattern section and go this emergency call option. Okay, when you open this emergency call option page on your smartphone, so you have to follow some steps here. First of all, you have to dial a service center opening tool, and the code is *8155*508011 *2 and *#. You have to dial this number on emergency call option page, and after that you have to call this code for one time only. Okay, done. Click to OK and go back to the main screen, and you have to try to switch off your smartphone. Okay, and you know very well how can you easily switch off your smartphone. Whenever you have a Samsung smartphone, so you have to press power button plus volume up and volume down button on the same time. Okay, press, and after when your smartphone is switched off, you have to press power button plus volume up button to open your recovery mode option. Whenever your power button plus volume up button will not work, then you have to press power button plus volume down button, okay, instead of this method. After that my friend, if your recovery mode option comes on your any Android model like that, you have to choose recovery mode, and in this page maybe the touch will not work on your smartphone. Okay, so don't worry at all. You have to use your volume up volume buttons to go down and up. So you have to go down to recovery mode option and select and press the power button to select this. Okay, and wait for few seconds only. Remember that my friend, you don't require to skip this video at any moment, otherwise you won't be able to unlock your any kind of Samsung smartphone or any other Android smartphone. So you have to follow all these steps one by one, and you have to watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your any Android model. You can see here my friend, the new page comes in this smartphone. This name is Vivo Recovery. Okay, and there are lots of options, means 4 to 5 options. Okay, but you have to choose clear data. Okay, so you have to select this, and here you have to try to clear all these options like that. So I am going to select the first clear cache file, click OK, okay, click return, After that, you have to click clear all data and you have to try to click OK. But they are asking to enter your pattern lock, so you forgetted your pattern lock, so you have to choose any random 5 password here. Okay, you have to randomly select the 5 random password here. Until this timer comes on your mobile screen. After that, when this timer comes on your mobile screen, so you have to click return option here, go back, and here you have to only click this check system option. So click the check system file here and wait for checking your operating system. If you have any queries regarding this method, so comment us within 5 to 10 minutes. Our team will reply to you within 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your all kind of Android smartphone. After that, the integrity of system files checked is completed now. So click OK and click restart again and click OK. Okay, wait for restart this process. Don't require to skip this video at any moment. Okay, don't click to forward this video. Keep watching, okay? Only keep watching and follow all these steps and apply to your logged Android smartphone. If you have skipped this video at any moment, so that you can't learn very well, so you have to follow all these steps one by one into your logged Android smartphones. And at any moment, this smartphone will open. So wait for a few seconds only. And remember that fully charge your smartphone, okay, before applying this method. And you can see here, my friend, this Android smartphone is opened now. So after that, you have to click to here and click emergency calls only page here. Okay, and here you don't require to do anything here. Wait for 5 seconds only and go back. And here you have to try 5 random password here. And when you got this forget option, you have to click here. And here this smartphone asking 2 questions and you have to put right answer here. Okay, so you forgetted this answer, so you have to type only *812#, and on the second line you have to type *813 and #, and only click verify, and your smartphone will unlock now. Like that, you can see here this Android smartphone is completely unlocked, and you can now choose a new PIN, pattern, password, fingerprint, and face lock here. Okay, you can choose any passcode here, like 4 digit, 6 digit, 4 to 16 digit. Okay, so at this moment I'm going to click to choose pattern lock here and draw a new pin, new pattern lock here. Okay, and here asking to enter a new security question here. Okay, so at this moment I am going to cancel this operation at this moment, and you can see here this Android smartphone is completely unlocked and there are no any data loss, means all application, photos, videos, all data is remaining here. Means this process is very useful if you seriously want to unlock your smartphone without any data loss. Okay, and in this process you can't delete your any data from this method, so you have to follow all these steps and apply to your logged smartphone, and at the end of this video your smartphone will unlock. So if you have any queries, comment us with your specific model name. Our team will reply within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your any kind of Android smartphone. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.